Take a break with teachersub.com. Quality video lessons ready when you need them.
Hey there, Cursive Superstars. Welcome to Master Cursive with Colors. I'm Miss Jackie, and I'm very happy to see you again. Today's magical mission is an introduction to the cursive lowercase letters of L, B, and E. That's right, 3 amazing letters that help us make words like ladybug, balloon, and eagle. Now, before we jump in, make sure you have the supplies ready for today's lesson. You will need crayons, the 7 rainbow colors. You know what they are by now, but can you say them with me in order? Just remember Roy G. Biv. Here we go. Red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, and violet. Well done. If you don't have them all, just make sure you have 7 dark colors and workbook page 21 from your Master Cursive with Colors workbook. If you need to gather your supplies, pause the video and go get them. I'll wait here until you get back. Okay, are you ready for the magic to begin? Then follow me. Here I have the supplies for today's lesson, page 21 and the rainbow colors. Please pick up the color green with me. We are going to first put our names at the top of the paper. My name is Miss Jackie. Please write your name at the top. And then we're going to read the directions together with the green still in our hand. It says follow the video lesson directions to complete each letter's proper formation. So you're going to listen while I explain the directions, but first we start with a we do. We are going to mark where each letter begins with our green. So this is the lowercase letter L. Please put a green dot at the baseline. All lowercase letters start at the baseline. Here is lowercase letter B. Please start on the baseline with a green dot. And here is lowercase letter E. Please place a green dot on the baseline. And you might notice that E and L look very similar, except one is tall and one is not so tall. Okay, I'm going to put my green crayon back, and I'm going to take my yellow crayon. Please take your yellow crayon as well. And there is no place that we stop and turn around on L, B, and E, but there is an area where we need to slow down. So I'm going to take this yellow, which means slow down, caution, and I'm just going to make a little left turning arrow right about here, because when we go up in a slant, we are going to be turning left to loop our letters. So please make a left turn yellow arrow on all 3 of them. And next we are going to take the red crayon and mark the spot where each letter would stop with its connecting loop. And L stops just above the baseline. B is another high connecting letter like O and V, and letter E connects right from the baseline. And there we have it. Nice job. Start, slow down and loop, stop. Start, slow down and loop, stop. Start, slow down and loop, stop. Nice work. Now I would like you to hold on to your red crayon. However, I want you to look and listen like an owl. And I'm going to show you and explain the proper formation for lowercase l. Because I'm a righty, I will turn my paper to the right. I'm going to place my red marker for rainbow writing right on the green dot and listen and watch while I form letter L. We start with an upstroke all the way to the top. L is a tall letter. I will slow down here to turn left, and I will loop around and then kind of cross that line toward the bottom of the baseline, pull away, and curve up for the connector. Now I would like you to do that with me. So let's do a we do. With your red, let's take our crayon, put it on the baseline, and let's go together. Ready? Here we go. Up slant all the way to the top. slow down, turn left, loop around, and then cross through toward the bottom, not too high and not too low, and then touch the baseline and curve up. Well done. Now, continue to work with me and take your orange. Let's place it on the green dot. Let's do an up slant all the way to the top line and turn left, pull down and cross through the first slant, touch the baseline and loop up. Well done. Next color in rainbow color is yellow. Place your yellow crayon on the green dot and here we go. Up slant to the top line, turn left, slowing down, and then cross the first slant to the baseline and pull up for the connector. And here we go with green. And now I would like you to do it on your own. And I will work while you work. If you need to watch me while you're doing it, that's fine. Pause the video if you need more time. My L looks a little thicker than I started, which is fine. Driving on the baseline road is not always easy. Now I'm going to take my writing pointer finger and I'm going to just trace over and feel the texture of that movement. Nice work. Okay, all my crayons are back in Roy G. Biv order. And now I would like you to listen while I explain the formation of letter B. Here I start on the baseline and I'm going to go just like the letter L. I'm going to up slant, slow down, turn left, pull down and cross my first upward slant, come down to the baseline, but I'm going to continue up and then make a straight, almost like walking bridge connector. This one will hold hands across to connect to the next letter. All right, if you could take your red crayon, please follow me. Crayon on the green dot. We're going to up slant. We're going to slow down, turn around, pull down, cross over that first line, touch the baseline, curve up, and make a walking bridge connector or a happy tail. Whatever works best in your brain. All right, now we are ready to take our orange crayon. Let's start at the green dot and go up and turn left, cross over, touch the baseline, and make a little walking bridge or a happy tail. Next color is yellow. So together we put it on the green dot and we make an up slant to the top. B is another tall letter. We turn left, cross the first line, touch the baseline, come up about halfway, and bridge out. Nice job. Okay, I'm going to take my green and I'm going to finish off my rainbow colors, and I would like you to do that while I do that, and I will work while you work. do. Remember, with our rainbow writing, we are moving our whole arm. Even your elbow and shoulder are probably moving as well. And we want to make sure that we do the proper formation. If you're done, take your writing finger and go over, loop, and make your bridge. Feel that texture. Hopefully you're slowing down a little, and notice we have 2 tall letters and then a shorter letter. Okay, I think we're ready to move on to the very last letter of today, E, like eagle. I will explain how E is formed, and then we will do it together. So I start with my red, because Roy G. Biv starts with R, and I put my red on the baseline, and I make an upward slant, but I do not go as high as L or B. I go about halfway. I turn left, loop around, cross over, touch the baseline, and go right into my connector. That's it. E is fairly easy. Now, I would like you to do that with me. We will do it together. With our red crayon, let's start at the green dot, and we're going to do an up slant, not so tall, turn left, cross over, touch the baseline, and hit the connector. All right, let's get the next color, orange. Place it on the green dot, up slant, turn left, cross over, touch the baseline, to the stop dot. Next color is yellow, and we are going to go on the green dot, up slant, slow down, turn left, cross over, touch the baseline, and up into the connector. Well done. All right, that's 3 times together. Let's take our green crayon and let's finish on your own, and I will work while you work. You do. Again, with my writing finger, I'm going to follow the texture of E. I don't have to work as hard when I'm just feeling the texture, and my arm can flow nice and easy. I do have to work hard with the crayons, and that's good. That's building your muscles. That's building hand strength. All those are important parts of being a good handwriter. Looks great to me. Well done.
You're doing awesome, Writing Wizards. Today we practice proper letter formation with rainbow writing and big bold strokes. Keep practicing by copying more pages from today's lesson and working on your own until each letter feels just right. Remember, you're a winner when you believe in your dreams and never give up. And most importantly, it's wonderful when others are proud of you, but what matters most is being proud of yourself. So keep writing, keep smiling, and we'll see you next time for more loopy-doopy letter fun. See you soon.
Take a break with teachersub.com. Quality video lessons ready when you need them.